Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Game Guy and today I'm bringing you an unboxing for week 17, or the items from week 17 pretty much, as well as a couple of other items that are just here. They're for my brother. I don't know what they are. He said just unpackage pretty much anything that arrives for him. So I will see whether it's actually Supreme or not, or whether it's just normal things that he's ordered. If it's normal things, they will just be cut and you won't see them. But anyway, my items arrived on Monday, or my item arrived on Monday. However, my brother's was not delivered at the same time. His items actually had to go and be collected because I don't really know what happened. There was no sort of note or anything left. He just had an update saying that they needed to be collected. So that is what happened. Now obviously the only thing that I copped last week was the Santa ornament, which had a couple of restocks. I believe it was Saturday night or something. It had a big restock at about midnight. And yeah, so did a lot of other items. A lot of the items that came out this week had a massive restock during the Saturday night, I believe it was. So if you were able to cop anything on a restock, you know, congrats on being able to get a restock, because most of the items came and then they went quite quickly after the restocks. As always, let me know down below what item you got from last week, what colorway, what size, or what accessory you picked up. Maybe you picked up a hat or something else, or maybe you got the skateboard deck. But other than that, are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling what you pretty much picked up from last week? If you've already sold on your item, what did you sell them on for? Or if you're going to keep and rock, what are you keeping and rocking? But other than that, let's get into this unboxing, because there are quite a couple of items. There are at least like 6 items, I believe, maybe 7. So yeah, there's a good variety to unbox. There's also an item that my mum picked up or copped. I haven't a clue what it is, so that's going to be unboxed as well. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so obviously there are quite a couple of items to unbox. There's this one, and this one being Supreme. These 3, I don't know what's in them, to be honest. I really don't have a clue, and we're just gonna have to find out pretty much. So I'm gonna start with the stuff that I don't know what it is, and if it's not included or if you see it skip to the next item, and that's because it had nothing to do with Supreme. So let's get into this. Okay, first item. If it skips to the next item, then you know that it wasn't Supreme or anything of any correlation. It is of no correlation. Second item. Even if it's any streetwear, you know, I'd be happy to unbox it, but if it's literally no correlation, then there's just no point me doing anything. No correlation. Is this just so that he has his stuff unboxed and unpackaged so that he doesn't have to do it? Right, third item. The person's got their sender thing on the... Man, I'm going to have to unbox this in the most awkward fashion because the person's got their whole sender detail stuff here. So I'm going to cover that with my hand. At the same time, they've taped this quite badly. I've got no idea what he's been ordering.
To give a little bit of context, in the past when I've sort of unboxed things, when people have said, yeah, just open everything, I've opened a present or something for a birthday or Christmas or something that I wasn't meant to know. So this is why going into this, I was just completely baffled. So yeah, enjoy the unboxing.
So, what? Is this a pair of Supreme bottoms? Am I meant to be seeing these? These don't seem like they're for me. They're not the right size. They wouldn't be for me, I wouldn't think. But we've got a pair of Supreme, I can't think of the name. It's not Aztec, it's something else. I can't think of the name of it, but that is what it looks like. So yeah. I'm as baffled as most people would be watching this, but we've got a pair of bottoms that I've got no clue. If they're for me, he's messed up massively in telling me to unbox everything, but I don't know. There's the label for it, and I haven't a clue. I've got no idea. Okay, let's move on. Let's go on to my mum's item next, because just got no idea. This is for her. No, I don't have any idea actually. So, okay, she picked up the Smile tee in medium in the red colourway. which I mentioned to her before the like drop happened or the drop occurred, that about the smile tee and everything and what it looked like, and that it looked pretty cool because it was like a full body sort of thing, and she's picked it up to wear, so I presume to wear. So yeah, there we go. I can't really show it off, but you've probably seen what it looks like, I would think, online already. But yeah, I'm just shook in this unboxing. I've got no idea what to think, or like, I've got no clue, to be honest. Half this stuff is just a mystery to me. I know about some of the pieces, but I've got no idea. So yeah, she picked up the smile tee, so that's cool. Well, I find that pretty cool. So yeah, that is over there now. Right, let's move on to my piece, which is going to be the ornament, or the Santa ornament. So yeah, let's unbox this, because I'm just don't know what to feel. So let's get this out. Okay, I'm going to cover up any address and switch it so that you can see it from my perspective, and as I take it out so that you just see. That looks pretty cool. That looks really cool. So yeah, that's sick. Merry Christmas 2018. He has a wonky eye, or maybe it's just how it is. He's got a wonky eye. But there he is. It's just going to reflect the camera onto itself, isn't it? Brilliant. Might as well get him out. On the back it just says Santa Ornament FW18. So let's get him so you can actually see him if he wants to come out. Doesn't really feel like coming out. I don't really want to break it either. Okay, there we go. I feel like this could break very, very easily. So there is the Santa ornament. If it will focus on Santa and not me, please. Oh, come on. I can't get it to focus, seriously. I'll just hold it there so that you can see it. I will record an up close so that you have something to look at, but that is the Santa ornament. I will put him back very carefully. It seems like this could just not worth taking out, because you could just damage it so easily. Okay, I got him back in the box. Somehow, some way. Seal that up for the time being. Obviously, all around the corners it says Supreme there. On the bottom it says glass ornament made in Poland. This is not a toy, for decorative purpose only. Oh, it'll focus on the text, but it won't focus on the toy. Okay, brilliant, Supreme. So, there's the little Santa ornament. In this box I've also got the sticker, what's it called? Can't even think of the name. It's a sticker pack with the cat in the hat sticker, as well as the smile sticker and a normal box logo. So that'll be joining the old collection pretty much. And they've also just got a normal bag which is stuffed in here at the bottom. I don't know whether it's one of these non-opened, and yeah, it's not open, so I'll leave that as that is and take that out. I've got a couple more items. I don't really know how to sit the Santa until the tree's here, but for the time being there's nothing there obviously that I can display. So let's move this to the side onto the final package, because I have been going at this at quite a speed, but I've been trying to keep it so that, you know, it's least interesting. Not least interesting, but at least interesting. I cannot say interesting. Now, this was a bit of an annoying thing to open last time, or to open one of these was very irritating last time, so I'm just trying to see if it is an open at the top, or whether it's last time where I had to like do a bunch of stupid cuts to open it. So I believe it should just be a simple unboxing this time, I hope. Like a simple cut it open and just open from the top sort of thing. Now it says fragile, so my brother ordered 3 items, so I presume that all 3 are going to be in the same box, because that would make sense. This doesn't feel right again. I messed up with this last time, and I feel like I'm doing the same mistake this time. I'm just gonna put a Supreme bag over that. If I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Right, let's turn this. Okay, so slide the box along. Right. They're at the other end. They're at the other end. Okay, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. So the first item he ordered, obviously because of the size of the box, is the skateboard deck, which I will slowly get out where there's also a tee in the same bag as the skateboard deck, which is very safe of them to do. So I'm going to have to reach down, grab that, put that to the side and get the skateboard deck out first. So this is the Marvin Gaye skateboard deck. Lighting is not giving it its justice it deserves, but it looks really clean. It looks really nice, I do have to say. And obviously on the back it says the whole world famous Supreme. But yeah, that's a really nice piece. I like the box logo that's like where my chin is at the moment, sort of thing. I wish that it was facing the same way as the picture, but oh well. If it's hanging like that, I can understand why they've done it like that. But yeah, really clean skateboard deck. I don't know if I regret or not, sort of not going for it, but that is what happens, you know. Sometimes you do and don't go for things. I'm gonna move this to the side so that it doesn't get like damaged or anything. So the other piece that my brother ordered was another one of the Marvin Gaye pieces. It is a tee in the black colorway, size medium he picked up. Now I thought he would have personally gone for the cat in the hat tee, just because that's what I think his sort of preference would have been, but he went for this instead. I do have to say that the imagery or the graphic sort of photo on it does look nice on the tee, but yeah, obviously if you want the two together, then that's just sort of not matching, but in the sense that you've got two pieces from the collection, and it is just a nice piece that sold out in the end as well, which was nice to see, as some collaborations aren't received in the same sort of manner. Okay, and the last piece that he picked up was as well bubble wrap, not too safe. So he also ordered the ornament. Yeah, the eye is wonky on this Santa as well. He also picked up the Santa ornament, he wanted it too, so he went for it. And he got the Marvin Gaye tee, skateboard deck and the ornament in the same cart and checked them out, and that is why they came in the same box. So that can be put sort of to the side as well, and that is going to cover this unboxing of a lot of items, but also a lot of, I would say, different items or different fields. So yeah, obviously I unboxed the like sweatpants, two of the Santas. Where's my Santa gone? Oh, it's in the box, okay. Two Santas, two tees, and then a skateboard deck as well as obviously the sweatpants. But yeah, a lot of items to unbox in this video. So without further ado, if you enjoyed this video, a like would be much appreciated. I'll move this box out of the way. There's just the letter in there, like the paper receipt. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, as I said, comment down below if your items have arrived or if they've got a set date to arrive. When will they arrive? And other than that, I don't really have much else to say. I apologise for not uploading either during the weekend or Monday, but I wanted to put an unboxing out on Monday and that just didn't happen because the items just weren't here. And then my drop list video was also late to go out because of the fact that I was waiting for it. I only saw a partial drop list. I was up during the night because I thought, oh, I might just record it and then put it out early. I was waiting for an update of the sort of full drop list, and then when it updated, or when this sort of like partial list, full list coming soon was removed, or that part like was removed, it was basically the exact same list, like nothing had changed at all. So that is why there was no difference between it, but that is going to cover this video. As I said, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for 7,300 subscribers. It's just insane. We also gained 1,000 subscribers in 28 days, which is, I don't even know how to react to that, I'll be honest. Obviously, it took me, I believe, nearly like 5 years, maybe over that, maybe 5.5 years, just to get to 2,500 subscribers. So to gain 1,000 in a month is just, I have no words for it, honestly. So I really do appreciate it, and I really do appreciate everyone who comments and likes, sends messages. I'm sorry if I don't get back to people as fast as I can, because there are quite a lot of messages that I get, more than what I'd actually expect. So on the note of stickers, before the video sort of ends off, at the bottom, literally, I mean at the bottom of my brother's box for the skateboard deck and everything, caught in, I guess the box itself, like sort of stuck in the box, was one of these like sticker packs with Marvin Gaye and a cat in the hat sticker. So yeah, he's got a sticker pack. Overall, from like how many, 3, 4, 5 items, 2 sticker packs, doesn't seem like the greatest conversion rate, I would say. That's not really amazing. I was expecting like a ton of stickers across all of these, like 2 or 3 sticker packs in my brother's, but Literally one, and that's it. And then I got one with my order, and that's it. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. All social links and Discord links, everything is down below. And apart from that, I will see you for a live crop tomorrow. Hopefully a good one. Hopefully. Peace.